Hey there, Tim here from OnlyVans. Wondering what your van's worth? Get an instant van valuation. Free, no email, no calls, on OnlyVans UK. Head to onlyvans-uk.com and tap Free Valuation. Pick your make and model. Select the year and enter your mileage. Choose your van's condition and the number of owners. Hit Get my free online van valuation for an instant price range. It's no email required, instant, and uses market-based data, so your van valuation reflects real UK prices. Happy with the number? Click Create a free listing to reach thousands of buyers and aim for the best price. Check your van valuation in seconds, free and private, on OnlyVans UK. Tap the link and try it now. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video with more van tips.